Thomas Shelby, the main character from the British television series Peaky Blinders. You could start by studying his traits and mannerisms. Some key characteristics include confidence and charisma. Thomas is a natural leader and has a magnetic personality. Intelligence. Thomas is highly analytical and strategic, able to plan and execute complex schemes. Fearlessness. Thomas is not intimidated by danger and is willing to take risks to achieve his goals. Resourcefulness. Thomas is creative and resourceful, able to adapt to changing circumstances and find solutions to problems. Loyalty. Thomas is fiercely loyal to his family and those he trusts. In addition to these traits, you could also try to emulate Thomas' style, including his fashion sense, haircut, and speech patterns. However, it's important to remember that Thomas Shelby is a fictional character and that his actions and choices are not necessarily ones to be emulated in real life.